money. So, if you don't mind.
No, this card is from the wrong game. This is from the game of life.
It was in the box.
Well played. We must honorably adhere to the rules that we are making up on the spot.
No, but that's not fair.
Well, that's Dallas.
Dallas, indeed.
But, Ryan, where did you get this picture? My mom also makes the best salsa.
This is your mom's old stuff?
Yeah, mostly.
How's she doing?
It didn't go down easy, but she's made some friends and it's already better than it was.
How do you know when it's time?
I don't know if you ever know. And if you wait for the day when your parent comes to you and says, I can't take care of myself, that's never going to happen. I have a box of bras under the table if you're interested.
Let me see.
Okay, I think animals and proposals are out. Right? Ryan, did you read it in your blog? Animals
They're out because they're fixing each other.
There it is.
WBKR. WBKR serves the Owensboro operational area.